Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, I am Elizabeth Joy, also known as Asia, and today this video is about the work that I've been doing lately.
So what I've been doing in the past month or so is helping my sister finish her basement. Well, I've been helping my brother-in-law finish their basement, and he is he's from Africa, and he used to build houses back in Africa, so he knows exactly what he's doing. And we're trying to get things started in Pennsylvania, so why not start, with your own home? So with that said, I started recording. I asked my sister if I can design the playroom, so I recorded. He put the frames up, and then I started recording once we started putting the walls up. And it's so frustrating because when I went to edit, it says missing camera, or it's a big question mark, and all the footage is gone. So the footage that I do have is when I started painting on the designs on the walls, and that's what this video is going to be. This video is going to show you me. This video is going to show everything after the walls are up, which sucks, and then the finished product will be the next video. Because if I did everything in one video, it would be really, really long and really boring. So I realized that today, and it's really frustrating. I feel like someone in the universe is out to get me. I don't know who you are. I don't know what it is that you want, but I will find you and I will kill you. If you know what movie that's from, put it in the comments below. I'm like a movie junkie, so if you know what movie that is, comment below. I don't think you guys gonna know. I don't know. Should I give y'all a hint? No, I'm not gonna give y'all a hint. I will find you and I will kill you. I know I missed out a couple lines, but that's most of it. Anyway, so I was really frustrated, but it is what it is. It's just the footage of us putting the walls up. And so I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy this part. This part is just like the heavy labor. And the next video will be more of the fun stuff like decorating and things like that. It sucks because we literally start working early in the day and we don't finish till like 10 o'clock at night. And I think my camera is not equipped for that kind of filming because I definitely just have to go buy another battery. It just may be because my battery dies so quickly, and I have two 64GB memory cards and they fill up like that. So I have to buy another memory card, another battery, so I can start shooting longer. And because I went through editing, I went through a lot of hours of footage, but I'm only able to use a small amount of it. So I am going to be looking a mess. Don't judge me. I'm sorry I can't be like some of these vloggers that are doing design work and they're looking all cute with makeup. I'm looking a hot mess, and I'm proud of it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be sitting on the frame anyway.
Yeah. I think I might just frame this and you put tape and stand it. Put tape on the wall. Huh? Yeah, let me just do that. Because this is really complicated.
How about this wall that I didn't work as hard on? Or that one? Yeah, you use the one difficult wall that you give me issues.
Alright, fine. I'll give you what you want.
Oh,
No, here. If you want to do it.
I want to learn.
Well, okay. How about this? I think if pretty much this is what it's going to be. But you got to cut this to go on the wall. It's too long. Right? Cut it
To the size of the table?
Yeah, because this is going across, so it's gonna be the same length. So you put it here. Hold on. Yeah, please. This one. Make this, let it come to me. You go make a mark on that egg.
Line the whole thing?
Yeah. So that's where you cut it. This way. That's where you're going to cut it out. You can use the saw, right?
Yeah, try. It's bigger than my little jigsaw.
You have to
Put pressure on it.
Yeah, put your elbow, your knee, and you gotta make sure the blade is right on this mark.
Using the light outside.
No, the lights, you see, you have to press the trigger, right? If you press it harder, it's gonna start cutting.
Alright.
I'm gonna stand right here. Come do it. No, come this way. Because I'm leaving. I'm gonna go. I just want to make sure.
I'm leaving. I mean, like I'm writing in the machine.
No, it don't matter.
That was not.
No. You gotta.
Got to turn the border on.
No. Leave it. Put your on this thing. Okay. You just gotta move your hand back.
Oh, okay.
Because once you start cutting, don't move yet. This will start. Because this is gonna be pushed by this. Once you start cutting, the wood is, gonna turn this around. But get the blade on the mark and never put your finger in front of the saw. And you gotta be flat on it like this. No tilt and nothing, just, because you see this on the side, always rest it on the wood. You're not on the line. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it on the line. You look at it from this side. It's all the way you start. I cut this wrong, but it's fine. Watch out. This works. Alright, let's go. Because you covered the mark. Right.
Yeah.
That's too low. When I did it, even me sitting on it, I don't think it came up here. Bring it down. Let me bring it back.
So what we're doing here is a floating table. So right now we have to keep the frame out. We have to put the frame around the table so the base on the table is going to be secure. It's sturdy. So they try to lean on it, the pressure on it, the back, and they climb on it. They can hold it. that's what we're doing now. And I'm waiting for him to come back with the chairs because we're going to put the chair there, sit down, so we make sure that the table's at the right height. We don't want it too low, we don't want it too high. We want it to be a table that they can grow with. That's why we got kind of like adult chairs and classroom chairs.
Feel that is holding good, yeah, and
oh, she got a big bag. Damn, sis, I'm so sorry. My goodness.
I see how the accident happens now.
Ooh. Hold on, let me go get my steel toes. I don't have my nails done. Yeah. Just hold that one like that. I'm gonna do one corner first. Oh, you ain't gotta tell me 2 times. Now I know you out to get me. She is out to get me.
That would have been crazy if I hit your toe.
It
would have really looked like revenge.
I will call mommy right now. Mommy, mine was an accident. It was intentional.
You need me to hold anything?
No. I think it's strong.
It is.
just gotta put. You put screws in there?
Yeah. That's why I put this in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. This gap is open. That's not a stud.
Yeah.
You can hear the difference when it's screwing in.
Okay.
It's right here.
Alright guys, so thanks for checking out my video and I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy. Bye.